Good morning students, Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Students, I hope you all must have practiced the chapters which we have finished in our previous period. Yes or no? So, today again in EVS we are going to see one more new chapter. So, are you all ready? Shall we start? But as you all know, first we will see what we will see first before starting the chapter. Yes, first we will see the new words. Okay, before starting a new chapter, what we do? First we read all new words. Okay, so I will repeat the new words 3 times. And students, what you will do? You will write these new words in your activity book, that is your rough book. In your rough book, your activity book, you will write the new words 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Okay, so shall we start? Our first word, relax. 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 Our next word, recreation. 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 Our next word is swimming. 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 Our next word is ludo. 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 Next word, chess. 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 Next word, carom. CARROM. Carom. CARROM. Carom. CARROM. Carom. Next word, badminton. 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 Next word, painting. 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 Next word, tired. 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 Next word, dull. 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 Now, kids, we have seen the new words of this chapter. Okay? Now, we will start with the chapter. Okay? So what you will do? First you will practice this new words and then you will revise the chapter which we are going to study now. Okay? Now just answer a simple questions. Okay? Do you get any free time during the day? Do you get any free time during the day? Yes, we all get some half an hour or 1 hour in a day as a free time. Yes or no? Yes or no? We get some free time. We get some half an hour or 1 hour in a day as a free time. So what do you all do in that free time? Think. Next question. What do you do during that time? See, the next question is asking, what do you all do in that free time? What do you all do in that free time? Some must be playing, some must be painting, some must be going out to play. Yes or no? So there are so many things to do in a free time. Yes or no? When we are getting a free time, we are having so many other things other than studies or other than watching TV or other things. So many things we have to do, we can do in our free time. And what these things are called? What these things, whatever activities we are doing in the free time, what it is called? I will tell you. We will study about this in our this today's chapter. Okay? In today's chapter, we are going to study what we should do in our free time and how we should utilize our free time. Okay? So are you all ready? Okay. So today our chapter is chapter number 13, Recreation. Chapter number 13, Recreation. And what is the meaning of recreation? And what is recreation? What we should do in this recreation? I will tell you. Okay? First we will see what is recreation. Okay? When we are not working and are free to do anything of our choice, it is called free time. What it is called? Free time. When we are not doing any work and we are free to do anything of our choice, it is called free time. What it is called? Free time. Okay? And what we do in our free time, when we get free time, so we do some activity. And what we do in our free time for our enjoyment is called recreation. The things which we do or the activities which we do in our free time for our enjoyment is called recreation. What it is called? It is called recreation. Some of the things we do during our free time. The things which we do in our free time. The activities which we do in our free time, such kinds of activities gives us some enjoyment, so it is called recreation. What it is called? Recreation. Okay? So today we are going to see some recreational activities which we do in our free time. Okay? So are you all ready? Shall we start with that recreational activities? Okay. Now, there are various things people can do for recreation. Any activity is good recreation if you enjoy it. See kids, if you are getting a free time and in that free time, if you are doing an activity which gives you an enjoyment, which satisfies you or which gives you an enjoyment that yes, this activity was very nice, I spent my free time very well, so that activity is called recreation. That activity should be enjoyable, so such kind of activities are called recreation. Okay, so now we'll see some recreational activities. Okay, some people like to read books Reading is a very good recreational activity. Yes or no? Some people like to read books. Reading is very good. Yes or no? Reading is a very good recreational activity and we should read many different books. Reading is a very good habit also. Okay, it improves our vocabulary. Okay, so whenever you get a free time, try to read one book. Okay, and what is the other activity? Let's see. See, some people like to play some outdoor games like cricket or badminton as recreation. Games like Ludo, chess, and carom are also enjoyable. Now, kids, see, there are many recreational activities which you can do for your enjoyment. So some people like to read books, some people like to play outside. They like to play outside some games like cricket and badminton. From that they get some enjoyment after playing these outdoor activities. After playing these outdoor games, they get some enjoyment, which is called, and the things or the activities which we do for our enjoyment is also called recreation. Yes or no? The activities which we do for our enjoyment is called recreation. So some people like to read books, some people like to play some outdoor games like cricket and badminton. Even chess, ludo and caroms are also good recreational activity. Whenever we get free time, some people like to play chess, ludo or carom. Yes or no? Now let's see some other recreation activity. See, other than reading books, other than going out and playing or playing some indoor games like chess and ludo, some people like to watch TV or movies in their free time. Okay, so some people like to watch television or a movie in their free time. There is also another form of recreation. Okay, so see kids, some people also like to watch TV in their free time. Okay, as a recreational activity. They like to watch TV, they like to watch movies also in their free time. Okay, so other than this, what some people like? Some people like watching movies, music, yes or no, in their free time. Okay, so now we'll see some more activities. See, some people listen to music or sing and dance in their free time. Okay, so see, for some students or some people or some kids like you all, what they do in their free time, either they read book, either they watch TV, or they play some indoor games or outdoor games. Other than this, what we can do in our free time? We can listen to music. Some people like to sing song. Okay, some like to dance in their free time. The activities which give enjoyment to us, such activities are also or only called recreation. Yes or no? So these are some activities which give us pleasure and enjoyment. Okay, we can spend our time very well in doing these activities. So these activities are called recreation. What they are called? Recreation. Okay, other than this, what we can do? Drawing and painting are also good recreation activities. Other than music, listening to music, singing, dancing, reading, playing indoor and outdoor games, watching TV, what is the other activity which we can do is drawing and painting. Drawing and painting is a good recreation activity. Yes or no? Whenever we get free time, we can draw something, we can paint something. Okay, so these are some activities, these are some recreational activities which we can do in our free time. Okay, so kids, I hope you all must have understood what is the exact meaning of recreation and what are the recreational activities. Yes or no? So we should have at least one recreational activity in a day. Okay, so it is very important to have free time. Yes, it is very important, kids, to have some free time in a day. At least we should find out 1 hour for ourselves as a free time in a day to avoid feeling of tired and dull. We should all have some recreational activities. Okay, we should have some recreational activities so that we will not feel tired and dull. Okay, kids, now related to this chapter, it was a very small chapter, kids. So related to this chapter, I am going to ask you some questions. Okay, in today's activity, I am going to ask you some questions related to this chapter. And what you will do, you will write this question in your EVS notebook. Okay, kids? So let's start. Our first question: what is recreation? What is recreation? Now think, what is recreation? The things which we, or the activities which we do for our enjoyment, in which we feel enjoyable. Such activities are called recreation. Let's see what is the correct answer. Activities that we do in our free time for our enjoyment is called recreation. Repeat after me. Activities that we do in our free time for our enjoyment is called recreation. Okay, next question. Name some recreational activities. Name some recreational activities. Now kids, see, just now we have seen some of the recreational activities. So what are these recreational activities? Let's see. Reading, playing, listening to music, watching TV or television, etc. are some recreational activities. Now here teacher is asking some recreational activities. There are so many. Okay, so teacher has mentioned here few. Okay, so name some recreational activities. So the answer is reading, playing, listening to music, watching television, etc. are some recreational activities. Okay, now next question. How we can avoid feeling dull and tired? How we can avoid feeling dull and tired? Answer is, we can avoid feeling dull and tired by doing some recreational activities. How we can avoid feeling dull and tired? Answer is, we can avoid feeling dull and tired by doing some recreational activities. Okay, now kids, what you will do? You will revise all the new words, and then you will write all that new words in your activity book 3 times. And teacher is going to check that new words. Okay. Second, you will revise the chapter, and after revising the chapter, you will write these 3 question answers in your EVS notebook. Which notebook? EVS notebook. Okay, and you will practice this question answers. Okay kids, we will see one fresh new chapter in next period. Till then, you keep on revising this. Okay? Thank you.